Doesn't get any better than Niagara Parkway living. Without the traffic, Houck Avenue is just off of what Sir Winston Churchill calls the prettiest Sunday drive in the world.
A custom 2,000 square foot ranch-style bungalow sitting on 2 gorgeous acres of green space. And then there's all this glorious space with a fantastic open concept great room, a well-equipped in-law suite down, and a west-facing backyard just waiting to be enjoyed.
The current owners built this home with their own hands, raised 2 fantastic kids, and you can really pick up on that warm family feel. I really appreciate a high-quality built home, and in this one, it's evident. Whoever the keys are going to get handed off to are going to have a really great life here.